Here's how to read Instagram messages without being seen. Now, I have Instagram here on my iPhone as well as my Android. I'm going to walk you through the steps to be able to read a message without them seeing it as read. Now, if you tap on the messages icon at the bottom center, you can see here is a message. But if I tap on it, they'll be able to see that I have read it. We can bypass this by tapping on the profile button at the very bottom right. And then from there, just tap on the 3 lines at the top right, just right there. After you've done that, scroll down from here, and you're looking for the section that says how others can interact with you. And tap on messages and story replies. And next, you're just going to tap on show read receipts midway down. And make sure if this is toggled on, they will be able to see that you've read their message. So just toggle it off and you'll be able to see their message without it being marked as read. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.